Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to prepare pan flavored coconut laddu. So let's get started. In a pan I have added very little ghee and we'll let the pan heat up a little bit. Once the pan is hot, I will add in some almonds, some cashew, some pistachio. Roast all this. The nuts have roasted properly. We'll turn off the flame. I will let this cool down and then we will put it into a grinder and make it into like small pieces. So here our crushed nuts are ready. I'm going to add in some raisins, some tutti frutti, some desiccated coconut, some cardamom powder. I'll add in some gulkand. Mix all this until well combined. Filling is ready. Now I will make small balls to stuff inside our main laddu. This is done. Now let's move on to the next step. Let's prepare the outer layer of the laddu now. So I have here some desiccated coconut. To this I'll add in some cardamom powder. I'll add some condensed milk gradually and we will start mixing it. So you can see it's easily coming together. This is how we want this. Now let's prepare the laddu. Taking a small size of ball from here, we'll just do a round. Now roll this into dry desiccated coconut. So in the same way I have prepared all the laddu. So do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.